Best 20 lead generation tools for prospecting. AI-driven. AnyBiz. AI transforms lead generation, automating identification and engagement for sales and marketing. We'll review top 20 AI tools, focusing on performance, innovation, features, and competitive edge to help marketers choose efficiently. AI is a lead generation superpower, saving time by identifying the best leads and targeting accurately. It personalizes messages, increasing conversion chances for your business. Key features of AI-driven lead generation tools: learning and evolving, processing power beyond human capabilities, autonomous outreach, self-deciding capabilities. When evaluating AI-driven lead generation tools, consider AI performance. How well does it identify and qualify leads? AI usage. Is it innovative in its AI applications? Competition. Does it stand out from others, delivering unique features and proven results? The best 20 AI-driven lead generation tools. 1. AnyBiz.io. AnyBiz transforms B2B lead generation with AI-driven sales agents, offering personalized outreach across multiple channels. Features include automated meeting scheduling, smart decision-making, multi-language outreach, and automated email management. With a focus on business growth, AnyBiz provides a competitive edge through automation and personalized engagement, revolutionizing lead generation for B2B companies. 2. Zendesk Sell enhances sales efficiency with task automation, CRM integration, and AI analytics for lead prioritization. Automated workflows and real-time dashboards foster cohesive customer engagement, enabling smarter sales strategies. 3. Unbounce. Unbounce. AI-optimized landing pages for higher conversions. With user-friendly tools and smart traffic optimization, it matches visitors to the right page variant, boosting conversion rates effortlessly. 4. Pipedrive boosts sales with visual CRM, AI predictions, and task automation for precision and productivity. 5. Reply.io automates and personalizes sales outreach with AI-driven features like A/B testing and send time optimization. It scales outreach while maintaining a personal touch through automated multi-channel engagement, ideal for efficient and meaningful connections. 6. Salesforce, your ultimate customer management solution. With Einstein AI, it predicts customer interests and offers personalized insights. Centralized management, smart insights, and effective marketing tools make it a must-have for growing businesses. 7. HubSpot Marketing Hub optimizes customer engagement across channels with AI-driven tools like content creation, automated email marketing, and SEO optimization. Its integrated approach to inbound marketing, guided by AI insights, empowers efficient growth for businesses. 8. Rollworks, AI-driven precision marketing with targeted account selection, predictive scoring, customized ads, and detailed analytics. Converts broad approaches into focused strategies, yielding higher engagement and ROI for B2B firms. 9. Agile CRM seamlessly integrates sales, marketing, and customer service with AI-driven insights, offering automated workflows, lead management, targeted campaigns, and integrated support, fueling effective sales growth for businesses. 10. CallPage swiftly converts website visitors into sales calls using AI-triggered callbacks. Offering instant callbacks, automated scheduling, and call analytics, this real-time engagement, powered by AI, boosts conversion rates and accelerates sales cycles. 11. Leadfeeder uses AI-driven prioritization to uncover hidden sales leads from website traffic. It offers features like anonymous visitor identification, AI-based lead scoring, CRM integration, and real-time lead alerts, empowering businesses to focus on high-potential leads for better sales outcomes. 12. Scrap quickly collects B2B email addresses with AI verification, including LinkedIn and website extraction, automated verification, and CRM integration. It's essential for accurate data and successful email outreach for sales and marketing professionals. 13. Datanyze reveals prospects' tech landscape for targeted outreach, prioritizing engaged leads with AI. Key features include tech insights, lead identification, instant alerts, and seamless integration, giving a competitive edge by aligning pitches with prospects' needs. 14. Arrow Leads fast-tracks lead connections with verified contact details using AI. Key features include instant verification, efficient lead generation, CRM integration, and quick data export, offering a shortcut to meaningful connections and setting it apart in lead generation. 15. Zoho CRM, integrated platform for business growth with AI assistant Zia for smarter selling. Features include automated sales management, AI insights, targeted campaigns, and seamless support integration, giving a competitive edge with intelligent analysis and insights. 16. LeadFuse streamlines lead generation with AI-driven targeting, auto-generated lead lists, and seamless CRM email integration. It offers millions of verified leads and customizable profiles, providing a competitive edge for increased productivity and success. 17. Overloop, formerly Prospect.io, automates sales with AI-driven insights, offering streamlined prospecting, personalized emails, analytics, and CRM integration. Its blend of automation and intelligence boosts sales efficiency for impactful results. 18. LeadPages simplifies landing page creation with AI-driven A/B testing for maximum conversions. It features drag-and-drop design, engaging pop-ups, and seamless tool integration, ensuring tangible results backed by AI insights. 19. LeadsBridge seamlessly connects marketing campaigns to sales results with AI-driven data transfer, real-time lead sync, automated audience management, and CRM integration, driving measurable results for accelerated business growth. 20. Optin-Monster uses visually engaging forms and AI-optimized campaigns to convert visitors, featuring attention-grabbing pop-ups and seamless integration for enhanced engagement and conversions. AI improves prospecting efficiency by targeting high-conversion leads, driven by rapid innovation. Expect increasingly sophisticated tools for faster, smarter lead generation and conversion. AI-driven lead generation tools like AnyBiz.io revolutionize identification, engagement, and conversion, automating and refining the sales journey. Embrace AI now for better engagement, efficiency, and sales results, as it represents the future of marketing. Before you move on, take a moment to show your support. Like and subscribe to keep up with all our latest releases.